Hey everybody, welcome to the video. So today we're going to talk about a very important security feature that all Toyotas have that is pretty much just an adjustment that you can do to the way these Toyotas come from the factory. So let's jump right in. So all new Toyotas that come from the factory, in fact, pretty much all new cars from my understanding, when you put them into drive, check out what the door lock does. They lock. See that? I'll do it again. That's a nice safety feature because if you get into an accident, it's really important that those doors are closed and locked because they can help you. Also a security feature because when you're driving around, you really don't want other people opening up those doors. But here's the interesting thing. When you put these Toyotas back into park, check out what the door locks do. They unlock. So let me show you on this side. We'll go back to drive and we'll go back to park. So once you park, that's inviting anybody who maybe is not as friendly, wants to give you a unplanned visit in your car, they can easily do so when you're in park. So how do we change that so that when we put it into park, the doors will stay locked? I'm going to show you how. Side note, this can also be done on the previous infotainment system version for the software. It's very similar. You have the 4 buttons here on the old version. You would just hit menu and you'd go to setup/settings. But on the new Toyota interface, since you'll be using CarPlay, you have to hit the black Toyota app first, which brings you to the Toyota interface. Step 2 would be hit the little settings button here and go down to vehicle customize. Then you'll see these 3 little options here. We're going to go to door control, and over to the right, the top 2 menus are going to be what we use. The auto lock feature shifting from park is good because when we come out of park and go into drive or reverse, those doors are automatically going to lock. If for some reason you didn't want that, say you constantly have people getting in and out of the car, and for some reason in your mind you think the car would benefit from not locking the doors automatically, that's fine, you would change this. But if you're like most people and you have security in mind a little bit more than that, the second option is the one that you're going to want to change, the auto unlock. So we're going to tap this and we're actually going to turn that off and hit OK. Now what this does is, when I put it in park, you see the door lock there? Well, I'll show you up close. Or my apologies. When I shift out of park into drive, the doors lock. See? But when I shift from drive back to park, the doors stay locked. That way, I don't have a unplanned visit inside my Toyota. So there you have it. If you think somebody would benefit from this change, this feature of the Toyota with security in mind, please like the video and share it with some friends and family that may benefit from that. Let's face it, security is always a good thing to elevate, and many people could benefit from that. So I hope you enjoyed, and you can always catch me in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.